Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's the next Polo video. Now, one of the advisories on the MOT was the rear tyres worn close to the limit. So we'll get the wheels off and we'll take them down and get some part warns fitted. I might have mentioned this before, but this one, it's got a slow puncture as well, and that's not really a good selling point, so I might as well replace the tyres if they're close to being worn. It won't be worth fixing the puncture. So get these wheels off. Okay, I've got everything I need. So get it jacked up and get the wheel off, and I'll whiz through this bit. And that's one wheel off, so I'll do the other side off camera and then we'll have a look at these tyres. Right, with the tyres, the wheels off the car, we can see what condition they're in. Now they don't look too bad, but MOT has picked up the worn on the inside edge. This is the one on the left, and you can see there's more wear on the inside than the outside, and the same on this one. Now there's probably a little bit of life left of them because not quite down to tread wear markers, but I can see cracking in the treads. Now I've got my calipers here, which will also measure the depth of the tread. Now they're obviously below the wear marker, so we'll just take the left one and it's a reading on that. Take another reading. Oh, there's quite a bit of wear on them. I'm at 3.5 mil. And see what the difference is between the. So I'll just try another part of the tyre, getting down to 3 mil. And how far is it above the tread wear marker? But like I says, I can see cracking on this one that has the slow puncture. Just check the depth, the tread. That's about 4 mil. There. How far is it above the wear? 2 mil. So yeah, these markers for wear markers. It's about, when you level with them, you're down to the last 2 mil on tyre, which is just above the legal limit, which is 1.6 millimeters across the central 3/4 of the tyre, which will probably be about there, I would imagine. But this one's cracked. If you can see the cracks there's cracks in the tread. It's cracking. And I haven't even checked the date stamp on these, so I don't know how old they are. So let's have a look through the date stamp. Right, we have 1413. You ought to pick it up on the camera, which means the 14th week of 2003. So this tyre's 5 years old. We'll just have a look on this one. Find a date code. and this is the same 1413. So 14th week, which should be probably until April. That's when it was manufactured, April 13. So they're about 5.5 years old. So I think it's worth replacing them. So we'll take them down to the tyre place and get replacements fitted. I've been to the tyre place and had the tyres fitted, and as you can see they're a lot better than the old ones. No cracking, and this one has got plenty of tread and we're perfectly legal, so that should last for quite a while. So I'll get them back on car and I'll do it off camera. So that's the rear tyres fitted. I've given a wipe down and I've sprayed some stuff on the sidewalls to make them look presentable, and that is job done. Well, that's it for this particular video. It was only one job I was ever going to take care of, so, and that's the most important one on the advisories, is the tyres. Now it's got a full set of decent tyres. Peace of mind for the new owner. Now actually I've gone above my original £200 budget, but the money I spent I'll get back when I come to sell. The place I went to for the tyres was Tyre World in Halifax. I'll try to put something down in the description below, even if it's just a phone number. Please remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get a notification when I put a video up. And questions and comments, you know where to put them down below. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.